guys, hindi magpapahuli ang ating third and last monthly finalist. Dahil kagaya nga ng sinasabi lang, tinitinda na lang ulam, ay, talagang kompletong-kompleto siya. Una, may boses, check. Stage presence, check. Star factor, check na check ang tanong. Ngayon, tignan natin kung siya ba ang magwawagi sa performance tonight. Pakinggan natin to.
I don't know where you came from, but most of all, Rachel, you're a fantastic singer. Ikaw ang pinakamagaling right now.
Rachel May Lalat! Congratulations!
Nanalo po ako nung weekly finals. Sobrang saya ko po. Kasi hindi ko po talaga expected na ako po yung mananalo kasi po magagaling po yung mga kalaban ko. Proud na proud po ako sa anak ko na si Rachel dahil nanalo po siya ng weekly finals. Buong pamilya at buong EDSA compound, so suportahan po namin siya. Ngayon naman, monthly finals, mas lalo ko po pong gagalingan. I-apply ko po sa sarili ko yung mga in-advise ko ng Star Councils para mas maging better po yung performance ko. Inaalay ko po yung kanta ko, itong laban ko, para po sa pamilya ko.
Galingan mo! Ngayong monthly finals!
Para sa mga makakalaban ko, umanda na kayo.
Rachel May Laga.
Ang iyong pretensions beside me, all alone I walked with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes. And he has found me. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he's blind, still I say there's a way for us. I love him, but every day I'm learning. All my life I've only been pretending. Now to me, his world will go on turning. A world that's full of happiness that I have never I love him. I love him. Yes, I love him. But only on my own.
Hindi ako makarecover. Palakpakan naman natin itong babae nito. Whoever wants to start.
I've never felt so alone after hearing her sing. Rachel, kinanta mo siya na napakasimple, pero it has so much emotions from the first note till the very last note. When I say simple, wala siyang dramatics na pakulot-kulot. or whatever. Sabi nga ni Miss Ko, you are a fantastic singer. So, galing. I am confused.
Thank you po.
Go ahead.
Huwag ka na mag-disagree, Aiza.
Rebut.
Mag-disagree ka ba?
I would have to disagree.
Wow! I like
This is a very sad song. Whereas it's very good that you are very confident, I feel like it worked against the song. Hindi ko naramdaman yung pagiging fragile mo. Siguro, you have to kind of let go sometimes. Parang, minsan kasi, especially kapag sanay kang kumakanta na, grabe yung galaw. Hindi ka man gumalaw, but the way you moved, for me, in my opinion, it was too calculated.
Silent. Ako, kasi inisip ko how to politely disagree with Aiza. But no, go ahead. Wala tayong mga polite dito. Okay, wala.
Sabihin mo na.
Hindi ko alam kung anong pinapanood ni Aiza. Kasi ako, hindi ba ako makapagsalita hanggang ngayon kasi kinikilabutan pa rin ako from her performance. Kinikilabutan pa rin. From her performance. Yun na, nagkakamali pa ako, nanguutal pa ako. It was so delicate. Eto Aiza, bago mo sinabi yung fragile, sinulat ko na yung delicate dito sa papel. It was so delicate, but even the delicate parts were so... Let's give credit where it's due. Pintas tayo ng pintas pag wala sa tono. Her delicate parts were all spot on, were all note perfect. Yung bulong, pasok. Pero nung pagdating ng dulo, doon tumigil yung banda at hinihintay ko yung susunod mong kantahin na alam ko naman na kung anong kakantahin mo. Wala ka bang binibitawang notes? Yung mata mo kumakanta. Yung luha na parang palabas sa mata mo, nakita ko, kinilibutan ako doon. Actually, napahaba yung sasabihin ko. Dapat sasabihin ko lang perfect. Kaso si Aiza kasi kailangan ko i-justify. Kailangan ko labanan yung argument niya.
Wala naman problema yun.
Good job. Good job. To me, it was perfect.
Naghahanap ako kung saan ka naghahanap ako kung saan ka bubuelta ng emotion mo eh. Nakita ko na yung highlight mo. At nung highlight mo ay nung umupo ka sa salamin. Usually, sa 10 singer, pag pinaharap mo sa salamin at pinakanta mo na ano na sa live audience, ang hinahanap niya ay yung attention na nasa labas ng salamin. Ikaw, kinausap mo yung salamin. That I congratulate, yung mabigat sa akin.
Salamat po.
Alright, congratulations, Rachel. Seryoso po kami sa paghahanap ng next singing superstar. Kaya bongga rin ang major prizes na naghihintay sa ating grand champion. Panoorin po natin ito.